Hey guys, my name is Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. A grocery haul for you guys. It's just a small grocery haul. We got a few things. If you guys want to see what I got for this grocery haul, let's just get straight into it. So for starters, I recommend that you guys get a notebook just because it helps me with my grocery haul, and I'll show you guys my entire grocery haul. I didn't check off some things. This is what I got. This is what I was meaning to get actually. And I'm making gluten-free muffins. Hopefully very, very soon. I had already checked things off because I ordered some things from Walmart already. But this is my main grocery list, and then these other things were the things that we had to get, but yeah. So make sure you have like a little notebook that you take with you so you don't have to end up walking out of the store with extra things. We got some 2% milk. We got some vinegar for our laundry and for some cleaning and stuff like that. We got the 100% whole grain garden salsa chips. We got 2 chocolate milks. This one's Novelle's. Mine's already open and I've already started drinking it. So they didn't have any organic strawberries or blueberries at Save-A-Lot. So I just got these ones. I just figured they're going to be gone really quick anyway. And it's not going to be too much, you know, to ask. But I will be going to get organic fruits, all organic fruits and vegetables from Walmart. I got the organic baby spinach. Colt threw this in the cart. He just thought that he would try it. I guess he had it a lot when he was a kid. And it was gluten-free, so he liked it. All right, and then we just got 2 bags of the shredded iceberg because we are going to have chicken salad tonight for dinner. This was a 5-pack, but I ate one, and then Novelle's eating one now. I thought these were cute, and we used to eat them as kids, so I got these for Novelle. I got some pure vanilla extract. I was looking online at Walmart last night, and did you guys know that organic pure extract is almost $80? Must be it's a bigger tube or something. I'm not sure. See, this one's a Save-A-Lot one. But this one was $5 just for a small one, so there's no corn syrup in it, and it's better. I don't know if this is actually gluten-free. That would make sense to have checked. Yeah, this is gluten-free. Before buying it, considering I'm making gluten-free muffins. Wow. Colt got 2 packs of the Southwest Chops kit. We got some string cheese. I got 2 packs of the Caesar kit. It just makes it a little bit easier for doing dinner times just by getting, like, salads or get them ready, you know, so we don't have to eat out. It's just regular. We got 3 packs of the Velveeta cheese mac and cheese noodles. We got some whole wheat tortillas. I wanted to get the organic spinach ones, but they don't have them there, so I'm going to have to get those at Walmart. But I'm going to wait till these ones are gone first. But they are cholesterol free, and there's only 10 of them in here, and they are healthier because they are whole grain. So we got some everything bagels, favorite, can't help it. And then we got some Salines hot dogs. I love those. We got some wheat split top bread, which I crushed a little bit on my way in. Thought I was going to drop everything else. We got some barbecue mix, and this has salt, paprika, garlic, onion, spices, anti-caking agent. So we got some barbecue chicken, and then we got some pork. We have some more barbecue, or we have some more regular chicken. This is the boneless and skinless. This is the healthiest kind to get. And then we got some pork again, and we got some steak. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what your go-to quarantine meal has been, because I would really like to know. Give me some recipes down below also, just to keep me sane, updated. Give me something to do. Give me some crockpot meals, guys. Like, ladies, half of you guys out there, I know that you guys use the crockpot. Just down below. Just help a girl out. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you hadn't done so already. Give it a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, God bless you. Bye.